Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to create human portrait with Imagine AI art generator. So, let us begin. Step number 1. Start your creative expedition by entering your Imagine AI art generator dashboard. Step number 2. If it is not already in default mode, click on the text to image icon. Step number 3. It's time to breathe life in your vision. Forge a creative prompt such as a portrait of a Gen Z, depict them in urban surroundings, sporting fashionable clothing and accessories that reflect their style. Step number 4. Ignite the magic. Click the generate button and let the power of AI do its work. A moment of anticipation. And step number 5. Behold the evolution. Witness your imagination materialize into brilliance. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can click on Generate again. And there you have it. Creating human portraits with Imagine AI Art Generator is a journey of imagination and creativity. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.